Ka Sorkar Jylla kalapin bana baka Jinglum Khajna jo Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ni KHDC na ki jingri ki barung Meghalaya kalong ka Be-Aiñ bat kala Bthah eka council ban Sangeh Mardor eka te rukom le. Umentri ketanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ba Khubor Shillong uloong baka tanat kala shim eka nikarai hadian bala bishar bniah ya ka work order baka KHDC kala ai ban lum khajna ya ki jingri hakak khandai miles bernihat. Uba Shulai uloong ba katnat kala tho sha ka district council affairs ban pintip ba amdan ka jingïada ai ban lum entry roll ya ki jingri ki barung shijila. Nalor kata ka Sorkar kala batharu ya baro lightly ki autonomous district council ha Meghalaya bakim de show ban lum kanu ka entry toll ni ki jingri hindrai ban bo ki kindon ai ki blapan trai kam lupa.
We have received one order, a work order issued by the Council to Shri Francis L. Nonglat of Maulai Nongpoh for collection of toll tax on animals. So when we have received this, so this complaint, so we have I have endorsed to the official of the veterinary department to check the rules whether it is legal or illegal. So accordingly, on the 13th of June, 30th of June, recently, then from the Undersecretary of the Government of Meghalaya, Shri Pilingdo, they have written to the Undersecretary to the Government of Meghalaya, this Council Affairs Department. Then let me read the letter. Subject collection of toll on entry of vehicle carrying livestock. In inviting a reference to the subject cited above, I am directed to forward herewith a copy of the letter bearing serial number DC, this council, RBF 12 with bracket 1 213 2024 2026 25 of dated 1st June 2026, issued by the Khasi Autonomous Council Shillong to Shri Francis L. Nonglat of Maulai Nongpoh, Shillong, permitting the individual to collect toll on entry of vehicles carrying livestock at 19 Mile bniah district for the year 2026-2027. You are requested to kindly inform Khasi's Autonomous Council, the Council, and other Autonomous Council of the state that collection of toll on entry is not allowed. This issued with the order of the competent authority. So it is illegal. So we have sent from the department. Have sent a letter to disallow this council to collect the toll, the tax on animals, entry of animals.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.